Good morning, guys. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the best breakfast ever. I'm actually just trying it out right now for the first time, so bear with me. It might not be super good, but I won't be posting this video unless it is super good. So if you're seeing this, then that means it's good. So it's a breakfast. It's basically a mixture between French toast and grilled cheese. So let's get started. So the first step is to get everything we need. We're gonna need a few eggs, sauces if you need, salt, butter, bread. And I'm gonna put some leftover sausages on mine. You can put whatever you want, bacon, whatever. We're gonna need some cheddar cheese and some milk. You're gonna need a bowl. We're gonna crack a couple of eggs into the bowl. Whip them up. Now add some salt. And any other spices you wanna add, you can add too. Now it's time to slice up some cheddar cheese. I'm going to be making 2 of these, so 4 pieces of bread, so about a couple of slices of cheese. Ta-da! And of course, it's always good practice to snack on it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use our George Foreman. We got to get it heating up. There we go. And just use your slices of bread, put them in there like you would in French toast, put them on, and then we're going to be putting the cheese on and the meat on, and it should be ready to go. Yep. Now we're going to close it up. We're going to let it cook a little bit while we get the cheese ready, so that the egg is completely cooked. We're also going to get out another pan, and we're going to cook up the rest of the egg. There we go. Now we're gonna chop up some meat to put on. Now we have all the cheese and meat that we need for the sandwich. Open this up. Woot woot. Okay. Now we're gonna put the thing onto the thing and then close it up again. So 2 slices of cheese per sandwich. 1, 2. We're also gonna add the meat. Now we're going to close up the sandwiches, put that on there, and then close it. There we go. Now we have some ready to get cooked grilled cheese French toast. Let's close her up. And we're going to let it cook for a couple minutes. Now we got to check on the egg because I forgot about it. There's only a little bit of egg left, but it will be a nice side for our 2 grilled cheeses. Eggs are done. Now let's check on this. It is sizzling. Oh, I see the cheese. It might be good now. Oh, that looks delicious. I think it's about cooked. There we go. Cool. Look at all that cheese. Now we're gonna add the egg to the side. And there you have it. It's actually really good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this recipe is good and that you enjoy it. Please consider subscribing, and you might like this video right here, so please check it out. Have a great day and God bless.